Hello, it's just a short video. So you've gone to plug in your kettle lead into your computer and there's been sparks, and when you've turned your PC on, every now and then there's a sparky noise, and that's because the metal bits in the plug are not touching these properly, so that the sparks that is just electric jumping across to conduct. So it's really annoying and it can damage the power supply. So if you do that, I do not recommend doing it more than about 15 minutes if it's an emergency. But what I did was a simple fix. So this isn't obviously the kettle lead because I don't want to mess it with it, because my computer's now working perfectly without any spark noises. And if I took it out again, it sparks again, I'd be really annoyed. But what I did was, I got a bit of wire tape. You'll need this. Don't use sellotape or anything. It's got to be non-conductive. All I did was just wrap one strip of tape around here, and then I snipped it. Oh, obviously you need to do it a little bit longer, but I'm just doing this to show you. I'm going to take this off after. That's all I did, and I plugged it in and there's been no sparks. If it doesn't go in, then the problem is your kettle lead is too big, so you might need to carefully take some bits off or just buy another kettle lead. Anyway, that's the end of this quick video. I'll see you later and I hope this helped. Bye.